Hi.
So guess what? Me and my friend finished exams and we decided to try out a new spot around our area. It's an Ewagoyin spot, and we're excited to try a local Ewagoyin around the area. So we got there, and the woman is really nice. She has a lovely child, and we decided to just take it for takeaway. So apparently she only had with plantains and her pepper sauce, but didn't have like food like fish and stuff like that. So we had to go to Zinc House, and I found a way to just talk to the man, and we kind of were able to secure, pomo and other stuff, and we found our way, back to my house to go and try the food. On our way, I saw some lovebirds holding hand. I mean, hate her, but whatever. Got back home, got some drinks, then headed inside to plate the food and share the protein that we secured from Zinc House, since unfortunately she didn't have protein. But let me tell you guys, I was really excited for this meal. Like, I was so down. I was so excited because I had only eaten Ewagoyin prior to this once. So I had like a lot of expectations. And yeah, I was looking forward to it. And I'm so glad I got to, eat this. Because it's really just a joy of mine exploring food options in this city, to be honest. And it's limited because everything is the same. So we did like a little cheers with our food. And she kind of got on a call. So initially I was meant to do like a live reaction of what the food tasted like. But she was on a call and I didn't want to leave the house. So yeah, I decided I'll just do a voiceover. Well, the food was nice. Personally, I don't think it was that pepperish. I've eaten Ewagoyin before back at home, and it wasn't as pepperish as the one at home, which was so nice. But the beans was lovely. The plantains were well fried, and the sauce itself was really nice. But it could have added more pepper. And I personally was kind of disappointed that she didn't have like protein. But that aside, the food was lovely, and I don't know if I'll be going back there anytime soon because it didn't really give me the wow factor, but then it was still nice, and I would recommend you guys go and try it out. After that, I went to wash dishes, and yeah, that's it. Have a good day, guys. And by the way, it's at Leather Research. See ya.